Good morning, viewer. Welcome in the class of database join connecting multiple worksheets. So database join perform the same function as we do VLOOKUP in the Microsoft Excel. If we have two or more tables and there is a one common field, we want to join these two tables based upon the common field. In Tableau, we use joins for this purpose. So in Tableau, the joins could be of four types. It could be of inner join, it could be of left join, right join, or this is a full or the outer join. Inner join. Inner join preserve only the rows that have the common key field between both of the table. For example, there is a two tables, table A and B. For example, in this we have a two tables. In this table, table 1, I have a name of the four students, and here there is a number of siblings. Table B, there is a name of the student as well as of the color of their eye color. So in case of inner join, whose two are common, Taylor and Alex is common among these two. Shanoy and Tracy is only available in table 1. Morgan only available in table 2. Common between these two is only Taylor and Alex. This is a inner join. Second is a left join. Left join, what it will do, it take all the values of the table in left, and from the table in right only those values will be copied which is having a common. For example, this is our example of the left join. In left join, I have picked my entire table, and from this table at right only the values which are common being pasted here, and rest is reflected as a null. This is generally what we do in the VLOOKUP in Excel. Right join is the reverse of the left join. It pick all the values from the table left, it pick all the values from the table from table at right, and from the left table only the common values will be pasted here. There is a last one is called as a outer join. Outer join is a technique where all the unique values will be clubbed together and will be shown in the your final view. So last one is the example of the outer join. Outer join, so all the unique values of table 1 as well as table 2 have been pasted here. So we will show this with the help of a Tableau worksheet also. So this is my Excel file. This is my sheet number 1. Sheet number 1 contain the data of name and the number of siblings. This is sheet number 1. In my sheet number 2, I have a name and the eye color. This is my sheet number 2. So I want to use both of these sheets in the Tableau. So this is my Tableau. I am connecting the file now. Let it to be loaded. So this is my join case 1. So my purpose is how to do joins, how to perform joins in the Tableau. So this is my file is connected now. This is my sheet 1, name and the number of siblings. Now how to add join, just pick a sheet 2 here, drop it at this place. Once you drop it, automatically it will give you the inner join. Inner join mean the Tableau itself have now it have added, it find out what is the common value based upon the name of the candidate. So this is a sheet 1, number of siblings. We already know in this there is a Taylor and Alex, these are the common. This is the inner join. If you want to make the left join, you just click at this. So entire left table, from the right table only the values which are mapping being pasted here, rest is reflected as a null. If I go for the right join, so this is all my table at the right as well as from table at the left only the values which are common or mapping. Full join, all the unique values has been pasted here. This is 4 values from the table 1. The Morgan is from the table B or the second table. So this has been shown here. I hope now you are able to make sense what is a database join. If you have liked this video, you can make a comment upon this. You can like this video as well as you can subscribe the channel. Your subscription will really motivate us. Thank you for watching this video.